All right, y'all seen this Model T that we rescued. It was abandoned. Went through and got it started. Now we're going to try something really stupid. We're going to crank it up on regular gas first. So watch out. Yeah, let's do this.
Went down to the river, washed my sins away. Pray, 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 pray for another day. I went down to that river, washed my sins for free. The devil's on the other bank, staring back at me. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man.
All right, that was regular gasoline. All right, all I've done was unhook the battery so far. Steven's going to drain the gas out. I don't remember how much gas was doing.
Another nail in my coffin, another nail for me. I gotta look pretty when I go down. Another nail in my coffin.
I don't think we've released a video yet where we put this old gas tank off of a tiller on there. I think this is non-ethanol gas. No. Well, that'll be gone in about 3 seconds. Alright, this is like watching paint dry. I'm going to cut the camera off for right now. Alright, I went and found a syringe. 3 milliliters. Steven's the professional trained pro on this stuff here. I don't know anything about it. We need a needle on there or just a syringe?
You haven't seen a dead man talking, no you haven't seen one yet. I'm a dead man walking. 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 I'm a dead man.
I'm gonna pour this in something else.
Went down to the river, washed my sins for free.
I said that's
no
dirty.
one seemed to notice as I stared. I went down to that river to wash my sins away. I was thinking of you in that wedding gown. I went down to that water to wash my sins away. The world could fade away as I went down.
This is what we do on a Monday night in South Carolina. Not even Friday yet.
I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man.
We also got the fire blanket just in case. Hey, Jim. You can see her approval right now in her face. You can see it.
What? Why do you look like you're aiding felon here?
Might be.
Do you need a second?
If you see a loud or hear a loud bang in a flash a light.
Or if you see anything on the community page in a little while, what was that noise?
Yeah,
It should
probably be a job.
So anyway, Steven's kind of drawing some up in there. That way we don't contaminate the rest of our supply. When we set this on fire, the store-bought stuff didn't work. The blended stuff or flavored stuff didn't work. This one seemed to work pretty good when we tried the burn test. Alright, we put a little moonshine on here. We're going to see if it'll light or not. Alright, maybe we don't have high enough proof. Nope. Alright, that one didn't work, so we found some other one. Don't worry about the sources. That one started to light, but it went out, didn't it? I don't know, it might be lighting actually. Go ahead and set my hand on fire. Get a little flash and that's it. Alright, that didn't work either. Alright, we pulled some favors and the store-bought stuff wasn't strong enough. The caramel wasn't strong enough. I knew it had been cut. But this is the high test stuff. Yeah, that's fine. Or it was. It burnt longer. Yeah, I am too. Of course, it might be burning still. No. There it goes, there it goes. It's burning. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera, but it's definitely burning. Yeah, you can see it on camera. Alright, so we're going to fire the car up with regular gas in it first. And then I think we're going to try this one. Don't try this at home. Alright, we've done this fast enough. The engine hadn't got cold or anything. It's not really hot. We didn't run it for just a few seconds a little while ago. So let's see what happens. Fire blankets right here, fire extinguishers on the bench up there. It should at least crank. We need to really
You're holding the timer.
Maybe the answer is no. All right, let's try it one more time. Yep.
Not get old, not get cold. You have to hand down your crown. Not get torn, not get worn.
But remind y'all, do not try this at home on a Monday night. What you do on Saturday nights in your part of the country, your neck of the woods, is up to you.
When my songs don't strike a chord, when you stop coming around,
Yep.
when you get smarter, you get
I
bored.
wish I had a turkey baster.
Jake.
And the reason we're doing this, we knew there's some gas left in the tank. So we're trying to make it as straight alcohol as we possibly can.
I do all those things I said, but I never did. You know I would, you know I would.
Probably gonna have to choke it.
You know I would.
You think it needs more fuel or less? You think it needs
You
more
know
fuel?
No, because I'm running
You
that.
know
I was gonna say, you might turn this valve right here counterclockwise,
You know
but I don't want to get too far off.
and you just can't stand the pain.
Ready?
When you just can't stand.
I can't remember which way the sweet spot is, but it ran on gas, would not run on moonshine. It started, but that was it. So now we're putting gas back in it and see what happens.
I think if we have a good supply of moonshine.
Possibly so, yeah. Well, now we know. I think I agree with Stephen though. I think if we had a good supply of moonshine, a steady stream of it, I think it would possibly run. I think we could adjust the carburetor a little bit and make it run much longer than what we did. But it did start, it just didn't run real good.
I'm gonna call it a win.
I think so. Or as they used to say on the, what was that show, Plausible?
Yep, definitely plausible.
Anyway, thanks for watching.